name is Jeff Whirling. I'm the superintendent at Chomonix Golf Course.
I'm Matt Masso. I work at Chomonix Golf Course. I'm an assistant golf course superintendent.
Wonderful scenery out at Chomonix where we're deep in the woods and we have deer running around and eagles soaring overhead, and it's just a nice environment to be in.
It's great atmosphere and great people, and it's a lot of fun.
You could be doing anything from raking bunkers to moving the cups or tee markers, mowing tees, greens, or fairways. We can teach anything. You know, most of it is pretty simple work. It's a matter of getting used to it. Usually the first time you put someone on a mower, they act like it's going about 100 miles an hour. They're scared. They don't know what they're doing. And within a few weeks, they're like, God, can't this thing go any faster? Looking for someone that seems enthusiastic about it, that wants to be a part of the team and be out on the golf course every day.
Making sure the golf course grounds are up to shape and ready to go for golf.
I hope you apply, and it'd be wonderful to have you on our team at Chomonix.